Hello, my name is Jenny Paola Rueda Bermúdez. I live in Santo Domingo de Ramos, a peaceful, cute and beautiful place. And study early childhood and cuisine and you not a career job I am post about because it allows me to learn about children, the post and the language. My favorite hobbies are drawing and working since I enjoy being creative, expressing my ideas to art and feeling productive. I am daily like I'm taking time to learn new things, complete my academic activities responsibly and with toward my personal goals. I also like to spend quality time with the people I care about, talking live and enjoying things but meaningful moments with my family and instead beautiful experience we support each other and with youth every moments to hurt it. And you thank you.